Today we will be unboxing our pneumatic dent repair tool. Open up the box, and inside you will find a large suction cup, PTFE tape, a medium suction cup, a small suction cup, a pneumatic coupler, and a slide hammer with a guide rod. This is the overview of the parts. You have your large suction cup, the medium, the small, the pneumatic coupler for generating vacuum, the slide hammer, PTFE tape for sealing purposes, a large washer, and your slide hammer guide rod. Now we will show you how to assemble it. Take your air guide tube and take the large sealing washer and thread it on. Now you can use PTFE tape for sealing. Slide on the pneumatic coupler, slide on the slide hammer, and choose the dent suction cup of your liking, but make sure to use PTFE tape to seal the threads. Now to use it on the vehicle, locate the dent, attach your air compressor, build vacuum, just like that, and use the slide hammer to pull the dent out. Once you are done, close the valve, and that is how you use our pneumatic dent repair tool. Thank you for watching.